How can I set the aspect ratio in matplotlib? I'm trying to make a square plot using InShow, i.e. aspect ratio of 1:1, but I can't. None of these work. It seems like the calls are just being ignored, a problem I often seem to have with matplotlib.
Third time's the charm. My guess is that this is a bug and Zhenya's answer suggests it's fixed in the latest version. I have version 0.99.1.1 and I've created the following solution. Below are my unsuccessful, yet hopefully informative attempts. Second answer. My original answer below is overkill, as it does something similar to axes.set_aspect. I think you want to use axes.set_aspect auto. I don't understand why this is the case, but it produces a square image plot for me, for example this script. Produces an image plot with equal aspect ratio. And one with auto aspect ratio. The code provided below in the original answer provides a starting off point for an explicitly controlled aspect ratio, but it seems to be ignored once an ImShow is called. Original answer. Here's an example of a routine that will adjust the subplot parameters so that you get the desired aspect ratio. I can imagine if you're having multiple subplots within the figure, you would want to include the number of y and x subplots as keyword parameters, defaulting to 1 each, to the routine provided. Then using those numbers and the space and null space keywords, you can make all the subplots have the correct aspect ratio.
A simple option using plt.gca to get current axes and set aspect. In place of your last line.
What is the matplotlib version you are running? I have recently had to upgrade to 1.1.0, and with it, at _subplot 111, aspect equal, works for me.
After many years of success with the answers above, I have found this not to work again, but I did find a working solution for subplots at this URL. With full credit of course to the author above, who can perhaps rather post here, the relevant lines are. The link also has a crystal clear explanation of the different coordinate systems used by matplotlib. Thanks for all great answers received, especially at Jan's, which will remain the winner.
20 to simule, klasse consider subscribing.